Nancy, I gotta go outside. The truck's outside. The truck's here. And hey, we gotta get rid of that Christmas tree. But I'll be right back. I gotta go. The truck's here. Let me out. Quick. Hurry. I gotta go. Hey everyone, it's Skipper Mark, and today we're going to check out the new tires and wheels Matt got for his 2015 Jeep Wrangler JK Rubicon. Matt got the tires and wheels from a company called Custom Offset. He went with them because when you buy them, they come fully mounted, fully balanced, and you can specify 5 tire pressure sensors. If you do want the 5 tire pressure sensors though, they only offer 4 on their website for some reason, so you actually have to call them and speak to somebody over the phone to make that happen. Matt really likes Mickey Thompson tires and went with these because they're actually a true 33-inch tire. He said a lot of the ones that are 285, 170Rs, 17s are not 33s. They're like 0.2 inches smaller. So he said Mickey Thompson is one of the few companies that actually makes them 33 inches. It's really cool. They give you the specs of the tire, all the balancing and everything, so you can see exactly what they did to them. Bronze wheels have been really hot for a while, and we've always liked bronze wheels, so that's what Matt decided to go with. These are a brand called Method. One thing a lot of people don't really care about is their tires. As long as they're not flat and there's no metal hanging out of them, you know, some people say, oh, they're good, I'm good. But you can actually tell how old a tire is by the DOT sticker, at least in the US. I'm not sure if other countries have that. It's usually a large number like this, and the last part of it, in this case 2215, means it was made in the 22nd month of the year 2015. So it's now April 2023, so that means these tires are 8 years old. So for being 8 years old, this tire's in pretty good shape. Matt does rotate in his spare when he changes his tires, but there is definitely some dry rot on it. If you look here, right by this lug, you can see some dry rot there. And then if you look down here, there's more dry rot. He probably would have kept them, but since he lifted his Jeep a few months ago with a 2-inch lift, he felt that the stock tires on it were a little small. The first thing Matt did was install the trim caps onto the wheels. He decided to put the spare on first, and then torqued it to 60 foot-pounds. A while back, Matt had installed a set of Borer wheel spacers, but they wouldn't work with the new wheels, so he had to take them off. Before installing the new wheels, Matt used a wire brush on his drill to remove any rust on the hub to make a tighter fit and more secure connection to the wheel. I won't bore you with all the tire installations, and we'll just jump right into the end result. The bronze color is subtle and adds a nice accent. The wheels are a little wider than the factory ones, and they stick out a tiny bit, which gives the Jeep a much more aggressive look. I think they look great. Matt says he's going to save these tires and use them for the winter. The last thing Matt had to do was check the tire pressure and adjust as needed, and then admire the finished product. If you have any questions, please leave a message in the comments and we'll be happy to answer. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.